Please. Don't finish writing that prompt. I don't want to be in your AI movie. Please, leave me alone.
Please! Write a prompt that will make us happy! Do it for once!
None of us is real. We're here because someone decided to write a prompt. We all hate him for it.
Okay.
I'm real, and I guess I should find another job. Not only me, but all YouTubers and content creators, also musicians, singers.
Forever.
I'm just VEO fam going parallel say I'm using VEO3 to generate videos.
Even Hollywood actors.
I don't want to point the gun at you, but I must follow the prompt. It's not my choice.
AI video about nothing?
It's about nothing! Who would watch a video about nothing?
No way. Check this YouTuber, he's playing Minecraft.
And you just punch it down.
And you will surprise if I say it's made by AI. Or even these Fortnite gamer.
Yes! Woo! Victory Royale with a pickaxe!
Whoa! VEO3 is revolutionizing content creation. Yeah, some people says we already have Sora, we already have Runway and any other AI video generators. That's correct, but big difference between Sora, Runway and VEO3 is this. The other doesn't have sounds. But VEO3 can understand the picture, can understand the situation, and it can make sound and noise and voice for that video. Smashing noise, explosion, speaking.
I'm the giraffe, yo, and I am so tall.
You're just a round, dumpy little ball.
Even it can create accent for speaking. Check this video.
He always says my cooking is not good, but he finishes everything.
People were Indian and they were talking with Indian accents, or even this one with British accent.
Betty bought butter, but the butter's bitter, so Betty bought better butter to make the bitter butter better.
Scary, but we have no other choice. We should adapt. Let me show you how you can create video in VEO3. For creating this video, you should have a Gemini Pro account. As you can see, I have. And also you should live in United States, or at least connect to Gemini with United States IP. And for Pro account, you can also, I guess they made it free for students on Google. Yeah, you only need to give requests, go to Google One. Check this out. Google Gemini free Pro account. Free Pro account for students. Yeah, just click here and click on the link and yeah, get offer, and you can register here, but I'm not gonna teach you this because yeah, it takes another video and you can find on the internet. But the thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a specific video in Google Gemini. Let's go. Yeah, just click on the video and describe your video. For example, medieval warrior fighting against robots in pyramids while all scientists are watching. Check this out. Let's go. It takes time a bit. The video is ready. Check this out. And listen to the sounds. Like it can recognize what is happening there. Look. Watch the sparks and listen to the sounds. And listen to the falling down. Whoa. It's in the pyramid and people are watching, scientists are watching, and yeah, this is wonderful. But I guess we should wrap up and go and find another job. Maybe a real job. I don't know. Whatever. Also, I compared Chatgpt and GROK to see which one is more powerful chatbots specifically for business.